Hello, hello, hello. Hey, Royal Family. How is everyone doing? Hope you guys' week is going good. And we're at hump, hump a day. All right. Nothing seriously. Now, don't forget, I'm still going to do our Super Bowl not dinner, but our Super Bowl snack, which I'm trying to think out of the box. And I'm also going to do a Valentine table escape. But today I just wanted to come on. I want some smothered potatoes. No, we're not peeling no russets. We're not peeling no onions. Ms.O got a quicker and a cheaper way. First, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'd like to thank all of my ride and die subscribers that keep hanging with Ms.O. But you guys, I went to Trader Joe's and I found these potatoes. This is roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. And this one, you see I've been using this one. This is called country potatoes with, what is that, haricot, Verts, and wild mushroom. You know, the string beans. I hope I'm saying that right. Haricots, Verts, and wild mushrooms. And all we're going to do is put a little oil in the skillet. We're going to saute them really nicely, you know, in brown. Then put the top on and smother these babies. Yep, that's simple. And you do not need any seasoning. Trust me when I tell you. You might want to add a little black pepper. I will say that. And for the oil, please don't drown them in oil. Just put you maybe a tablespoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of canola oil, and let your skillet get hot. Then we're going to put these babies in, get them brown, smother them, and they're going to think you peeled potatoes. But guess what? Ms.O gave you a little secret. Trader Joe's peeled the potatoes, right? All right, you guys. Let me get this started. And yeah, I love potatoes, but I'm going to do a pork chop underneath. So the star of the show is not the pork chops. The star of the show is the potatoes. But Ms.O gonna eat her pork chop. All right. See you guys in a minute. Y'all ready to get this train on the track? Are you sure? Are you sure? All right. Let's choo 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 and get it done. All right. This is all the oil that we are going to need for these potatoes. So I'm going to say it's a tablespoon, but please don't do like me. Go ahead and whatever you're going to cook, take it out of the bag and defrost the potatoes and everything that's in it. But whenever you're going to smother potatoes, first you want it on a high heat, not where it will burn, but where it will crisp up. And then once you get your color, then you're going to put your top on to smother. I hope these turn out right because there are a few that are still frozen, but we're going to give it a try. All right, let me show you all the seasoning in this. You see all that? I didn't add anything but a little black pepper. That's it. And all of this is just wonderful seasoning. So, all right, this might splatter, so let me kind of jump. So let's go ahead and get these in. We definitely don't want to cover these yet, because we're going to get them brown. So I'm going to say probably 5 minutes. All right, let me show you. Look at the mushrooms, the bell peppers, the Havarti, string beans in it. So we're going to let all this liquid cook out. And then we're going to flip them Get them nice and brown and then cover it. All right, I'll be right back. All right, this has been probably around 7 minutes, and we're just gonna flip it over. And I'm not yet ready, but you see how brown this potato is getting? Beautiful color on it. But I'm not yet ready to smother it. And also, don't use a tablespoon of oil. It was a little too much. Let's go with 2 teaspoons. No, 1.5 teaspoons. Especially if you're using a non-stick skillet. Yeah, let's go with a teaspoon of canola oil. But you see the potato, how it's browning? That's what you want. And then you will put the top on to smother it, to get that nice doneness. All right, let's look again. Look at that beautiful potato. So in about 4 minutes, I'm going to smother it, cook it for another, I'm gonna say 5 minutes, and it should be nice, brown, and tender. So when I come back, you guys will see the finished presentation. Cheap meal. 2 of those bags were $3.99 each. That's $8. You really didn't need any seasonings, so you don't have to add the seasonings into the cost. And a teaspoon of oil, what, 2 cents? So you're looking at a whole side, and it even got string beans in it. So, you know, you're getting a little help here. All right. See you guys with the finished product and presentation. All right, Royals. Here is the finished product and presentation of the smothered potatoes with red peppers and onion, and the smothered potatoes with mushrooms and Havarti green beans. When I tell you the seasoning is perfect, the only thing you need to add is maybe a little black pepper. And I got both of these bags at Trader Joe's. I will put them down in the description box. You guys have to try this. Quick, easy, and just like old-fashioned smothered potatoes. All right, I'm finna get a fork. Get this fork, and I'm gonna get up close and personal. I want you guys to see this. You see this potato? Look at that. I mean, beautiful. And I'm just gonna show you how tender it is on the inside. Hold on. Oh my Lord. Look at that. You see how tender that is? And I added a little ketchup and Tabasco, of course. Now don't forget, you guys. Oh my Lord, that's delicious. I got this pork chop back here. Can y'all see that? That's not the star, but I'm sure gonna cut it up. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your time to watch my videos. Please share, subscribe, and comment. And if you like my content, please share it with others. All right, until we meet again, stay safe, stay blessed, and always remember, put God first in everything you do. All right, let me get a string bang right quick, y'all. God bless you. See you next time.